In this signal video, I'm going to be analyzing gold, SAUUSD, and this is on 45 minutes time frame. Of course, the prevailing fundamental analysis coming out from the ceasefire deal, initially possible ceasefire deal with Iran, which now has been, signed, and everything is looking so well. It appears that the US and Iran are ready to celebrate a deal without compromising on any of the requirements and conditions put on that document. All right, from here you can see, and of course, that ceasefire deal is what is causing the gold to drop. All right, now look at this. Price is seen making higher highs and higher lows. It's a high low, high low. Okay, utilizing that fundamental fact, okay, and looking at the charts, we got this first trade. We got all of these with just simple confluence level of resistance becoming support. So you can see here it was previously a resistance zone, it became support, and price break it. So we see here as a support area, which eventually became resistance here, and led to this trade that gave us about 800 pips. 800 pips pushed down, and then of course it made a low here. So this is a high, this is a low, and we have a high here. So this low, if you mark the line just like we did here, you also push this. Here is now a support area which price broke and came back to retest and became resistance at this spot. And you can see price came in there, tapped into that price level 4220, and okay, started trending downwards and broke the support here. You can see broke the support, but it didn't go so far. It broke the support and came back to it. So this gives us the first trade. Second one, this one was about 800. The second one delivered back to that support area, about 1000 pips. So we're expecting price to move from this zone to this level of support. This is a level of support you can see here. Yeah, so this is a support zone. Let me mark it very well. So here is support on gold. So expectation is for price to break this low here, okay, and get to this point before we can realign based on the prevailing market conditions. So, but let's see how this pans out. See you in my next video. Thank you.